Hello, Gaska Wagner from Kinexor Fitness. I'm going to show you a good, effective routine for the full body. This is very functional. We start with the squats, and then we're going to progress into Sumo squats, where you add the shoulder pull, and then I'm going to show you low back extension. So right now I'm just doing the squats at a slow pace. Here you can go through those stops really slowly, maybe for about 3 reps, and then if you like to get a bit more challenged, you can do the 5-second holds before you clear those stops, before you click through the disc ramps. There you go, she's doing the holds now. Hold on the stop. The unit is telling you, it's guiding you through the speed, so you're gonna be just staying on the correct speed if you're following the stops. Okay, after you do a few reps on normal squats, you go into Sumo squats. That's as you're going into a squat, you're going to be pulling up with your hands so that you engage the upper back and shoulder muscles. Slowly release. Don't ever let the whole tension go away. Keep your muscles engaged. Right there, start again the next rep. As you go down, drop down into flexion of your legs. Pull with your hands. Hold it 2, 3, 4, 5. Click through. Right. Excellent. Alright. As you keep on going, it's going to be harder and harder. Now hold the handles against your chest, right below your chin, and you're going to slightly bend your knees. Protect a little bit of your lower back, and you're going to go engaging the core. You're going to drop forward flexion to work on the back extensors. Hamstrings, glute, low back extensors. Hold 5 seconds, click through to the next stop. Hold 2, 3, 4, 5. Next one. Great. That's the speed of work. So it looks easy, but the slower you do it, the more challenge you get, the harder it gets. That's about it. Maybe work from there. I'm coming up. Yes. Great. Perfect pace. Like that, you feel that burning gets really intense. Try to do one more rep when you get to that stage, and you feel like the muscle is really fatigued and tired. That's how you do it. Thank you.